Sky One has announced that its highly anticipated new drama A Discovery of Witches will begin airing on Friday, September 14th, starring Matthew Goode and Teresa Palmer. The series is based on the best-selling book series by Deborah Harkness, and takes place in a world where witches, vampires and demons live and work unseen amongst humans. Advertisement. Continue reading below. Threats to their way of life arise as reluctant witch Diana Bishop Palmer is thrown into the heart of a dangerous mystery following the discovery of a manuscript in Oxford's Bodleian Library. Diana is then thrown into the path of Professor Matthew Claremont Goode, a vampire, and together the pair set out to understand the manuscript's secrets, falling in love and threatening a breakdown of the fragile peace in the supernatural world all the while. Related gallery TV shows still to come in 2018 that we're really excited about. The series also stars Alex Kingston, Louise Brealey, Lindsay Duncan and Owen Teale. Kate Brooke, who previously worked on Mr. Selfridge, is the series showrunner and described the show as a relationship drama, grounded in emotional truth. Diana and Matthew, like all couples who meet and fall in love, at times struggle to understand each other and come to terms with their differences, Kate added, and if you're a vampire and a witch, those differences are huge, and while you wait for September 14th, you can take a look at the series' first trailer below. A Discovery of Witches begins on Sky One on Friday, September 14th. Want up-to-the-minute entertainment news and features? Just hit like on our Digital Spy Facebook page and follow on our Digital Spy Instagram and Twitter account.